Never use your credit card to pay for a vacation unless you are perfectly capable of paying it off before the statement date, avoiding interest, and all you're doing is just putting it on the credit card, getting the rewards points, paying it off, and then moving on. But so many Americans, per a study, are using their credit cards to pay for their vacations, and they have no clue how they're going to pay it off. So what ends up happening is that these credit card bills continue to grow. They're only making minimum payments, and by the time they get it paid off, that's if they even get it paid off, they paid way more for that vacation than they were supposed to. So here are a few tips from me that I use when I'm trying to get my vacation paid off. Starting off with thing number one is I'm going to save small amounts. Even if they're small amounts, they all add up. I'm going to save small amounts, put them into an account, and just leave it. And then when it's time to pay for that vacation, if I want to use my credit card, I can put it on the credit card, but I already have the cash sitting there. The other thing that I'm doing to save up for my vacations is I'm taking whatever money that I'll use in my vacations and I'm putting it into a stock market fund. Something like QQQI or SpotI. These things pay a dividend every month. And if I don't need the money, what I do is I reinvest it, and then by the time it comes time to go on vacation, I have enough dividends or I have enough money in my account or I can pull it out and then I can allow the dividends to pay it back for me, which is another plan because at that point, I'm not ever going to spend the actual principal. All I'm spending is the dividends. I think that's a plan that could work for anybody. You just got to scale it. It takes time to scale, but once you scale it and get it to a point where it works for you, it's there and it's never going away. I think that's the perfect plan. But anyway, man, how do you guys feel about using your credit cards to go on vacations and then putting yourself into debt when a lot of people out here are struggling to maintain their bills? And I know we all want to go out, have fun, get away from the 9 to 5 grind, but going into debt to do it is a massive problem and it's going to cause you problems down the line. It can possibly impact your credit score, making you unable to get any more credit cards, any more credit card limits or anything like that. And it's just a bad way to do things. Plus, it's not something that's going to continue to come back. I'm in a mind frame now. I do not want to spend money that I got to work for. I would rather put myself in position to spend money that's going to continue to reproduce itself. And I think that's the way everyone should be right now. If you're not buying assets, you're going to get left behind in this game because this is a economy where only people who have assets are going to be able to live their best lives. Anyway, let me know how you feel. I'm out of here. Don't put that shit on your credit cards. Peace.
From sandy shores to